Welcome to MyEdSpace, where we believe every student deserves a world-class education. We're a team of passionate teachers offering high-quality education in maths, English and science, all from the comfort of your home. And you can have this top-tier education without the hefty price tag of private tutoring, from as little as £60 a month.
I was blown away. It's the full curriculum, it's affordable, and my son loves it.
MyEdSpace teaches you way more than a school lesson. They showed me how to do it in easier ways than how the school told me to do it.
If you're struggling in like the main subjects in general, so like science, English and maths, you could join MyEdSpace and it will become like 10 times easier for you.
Join the thousands of students who are transforming their learning journey with us. Want to see how it works? Click this video here to learn more. And the results speak for themselves, but hear from the people who achieved them right here. MyEdSpace, become the best of you.